Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Let's grab a marker or a pencil. We're going to get started along the top center page with the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left side, right up here. We're going to bend the mouth coming down, cross, and then bend that up towards the right. Now on the ends, we're going to add a bracket. Just closing off the end. Now I'm going to move in and draw a curve. From the left side, we can go up, across, and then down. Now along the bottom, we're going to shift the nose over towards the left side. So we're going to start up here, bend this down, and then across towards the right. Let's just round up the ends. Now on the left side, bend this down and then in towards a point. From that point, just going to draw a straight angled line coming down towards the mouth. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Now let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw the lower eyelid, starting on the left. We're going to bend this one up and then out. Now let's line this up on the right. With this one, we're going to go down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the eyelid. We're going to go up, around, just tuck that down underneath. Go to the right, go up higher, and then bend that back down, almost like a half circle. Now I want to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, draw a circle, going all the way around, just tuck that up underneath. On the inside of the right eye, draw that full circle. And then in the center, we're going to draw a small dot for the pupils. Let's add a fold across the inside of the brow. Starting from the inside of the eye, then it's in and then up on both sides. Now I'm going to draw that patch around the left eye. We're going to go up, go around the eye and down toward the side. Round this out and just pull that in. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to go a lot larger now, almost like drawing a circle, going all the way around, down, and then in. From the corners of the mouth, I'm going to step in, just going to add a fold, coming around and then down towards the chin. Now let's move to the center, step down. We're going to shift the chin over towards the left side, coming down and then up. Now we're going to go back to the side of the eye, step out and draw the side of the head. We're going to start from the left side, bend this down, and then in towards the chin. Go to the right side, go all the way around, and then bend that up. Let's close off the top of the head. From the left side, I'm going to round this out, and pull that in towards the middle. And add a point of hair, pulling this up, bend this down, go up to the top, bend this across towards the right, go around the head, and then down. Let's go to the top of the head and add the ears. On the left, going up, around, and pull that in. And do the same thing on the right side. Now in the center along the bottom, I'm just going to add a small fold. Let's enhance the brow with a small fold across the top. So on the left side, we go up and then down. And then on the right, we go a little bit longer and higher. Let's go to the side of the head. We're going to add a fold across the neck, coming around and then in. Now I want to tuck the arms in behind that fold. So we're going to step up on the left side, bend the arm, going all the way around, come down towards the bottom of the arm. Now I want to pull this up in towards the middle. Coming around and then up. Now I want to point the hand going up. So we're going to bend this up, round up the finger, and then bend that back down. Let's tuck the second finger in behind. So starting right here, going up and then down. Step up, add a fold across the palm. Step up again, bend the arm, going up and then out. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. We're just going to line this up, bend the arm, go all the way around, round up the elbow. Now again, we're just going to pull this in. Now this hand is going to be in a fist. So we're going to go up to right about there. And we want to curl around the fingers. So we're going to step down, round up the finger, and then bend that up. Let's go up to the top, add a seam across the finger, step up again, go across the top of the hand, and then down. Now just like we did on the left side, we're going to step up, bend the forearm, going up, and then out. Now halfway along the top of the forearm, going up and then out on either side. And I'll draw the top of that patch. From this point, going up underneath the chin, and then down towards the right. Let's add a claw on the tip of each finger with a small curve. Now let's tuck the body in underneath the arms, starting on the left side, bend this down and then in, go to the right, and do the same thing coming down toward the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Come down, across, and then up. In the center, we're going to step down, add another curve from left to right, coming down, and then up. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the heels. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down, and then up. On the end, draw a short line going up. Follow that same curve coming across in towards the heels. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up. And we want to bend this down all the way down towards the sole, just on the inside of the heels. Let's separate the toes with a curve going out and then down towards the left and then the right. Along the bottom of each toe, let's draw a half oval for the claws. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Let's add a fold across the waistline, just a little bracket on either side. And I'll close this off with a curve from left to right. Let's add those stripes. Starting in the center, draw a straight line. Now as you go out towards the left, we're going to start to give this a slight bend. Let's go back to the center on the right side and do the same thing. So again, just bending this out towards the right. Now underneath that waistband, we're going to curve the legs coming down and in on top of the feet. So let's start with the left side, bend this down and then in, and then do the exact same thing on the right. Now on top of the left foot, let's add a curve for the bandages going across, and then the one on the right, we're going to go a little bit lower, going across and up. Let's draw the bottom of the shorts, starting on the left side, come in, and I'm going to add a notch, going up and then down, continue that curve coming towards the inside, then add a curve over on the right, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's Ray Po from Kung Fu Panda. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.